Creating engaging explainer videos has never been easier, thanks to simpleshow's cutting-edge AI technology. From story generation to final touches, artificial intelligence does all the hard work, taking the guesswork out of video creation. Simply answer a few questions or upload your existing content and watch as simpleshow's text-to-video technology brings your story to life. It highlights key points and selects images that truly resonate, transforming your script into dynamic animated scenes. And AI doesn't stop there. Enhance your video with animated backgrounds, effects, music, and automated voiceovers to improve the overall experience. When you're ready to reach a global audience, translate your video into 20 languages with just one click. No experience? No tech skills? No problem. With simpleshow's AI-driven platform, creating engaging videos that inspire action is a breeze.